Airmax was established in 1948. It's a Danish company actually, and we have been part of the BMW Group since 1968. And we have a huge product range actually. We are within the lightning cables. So if you have a 12-volt trailer or 24-volt trailer, we are actually equipped as a one-stop shop, so to say. So we have the cables, the tail lights, the work lights, the side markers, all inclusive, so to say. We have production. We do the development ourselves in Denmark. We have a stock in Denmark. We do some mounting in Denmark. But then we also work with production partners in Europe and in the Far East. It's very important for us to be here due to the fact that we have customers here in the Middle East, the northern part of Africa, and also in India. Very important markets for us, for Airmax. I would say I started working for Airmax in 2021. There was a full focus on Europe, but within the last 4 years we have been increasing our focus, so to say. So that's also why we are here, because the Middle East is very important for us. Customers in the northern part of Africa are also important. So we're increasing our market shares. You know, normally when you are in a company, you start with a low-hanging fruits. Those were actually, I would say, Europe, but now we see a huge potential here at the Automechanika, but also in India as well. Yeah, I would say we have a market share in Europe. Airmax has a market share in Europe of 8.5%, so to say. And I would say within the last 2 years, we have actually seen the huge potential here, for example, in the Middle East. I was also personally surprised to see how many trailers that are, for example, produced in Saudi Arabia and also in India. There's a lot of big, huge potential customers. So I actually think if we look into the future, 2030, for example, I would think that today the turnover at Airmax in the Middle East, North Africa and India is about 5% of our turnover. But I would say that looking in the future, this could develop to 20 or 25% actually. To be honest, this is the first time that at Airmax participate in the exhibition. Until yesterday, we had a very good day. It was a huge success. And I was very surprised also to see all the potential customers very open also to talk about Airmax and our product range, so to say. So I'm sure we'll be here the next time as well.